Hey, we back.
We're back. I'm
Desmond.
back. He's back.
But
What's
the
up?
girl's not.
What's up?
It's life, dog. It's life. She's gonna be pregnant.
Today we're gonna be reacting to Would You Rather, but face-to-face YouTubers edition by Kevin Ingosi. It's Ingosi, right?
Ingosi, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Shout out to him. Let's get it.
Yeah, I think Kenya.
Yeah, I told you about.
Hey, you guys kiss about it.
Boy Kevin Ingosi, and today I'm back with another banger. Yes, I'm back with another banger. So we are going to do.
Wait! How many guys are here? Okay, it's an equal number.
Wait.
It's an equal number.
Okay, it's an equal number.
Would you rather, but face to
Whose
face.
house is this? I need to know.
So
that.
tuanzie wapi? Hiyo time tulianzia huko. Solo. Do me the honors.
Yeah, Peter. Yo, so what's up, everybody? It's your BOI Solo the Poet, and I know you love me. If you don't love me, you know what? I don't give a
So Solo, it's simple. For each girl, you're picking a number between 1 and 11.
11.
That's such an odd number.
Saba.
Number Saba.
Why is she looking at him like that?
Would you rather twerk for her,
Twerk for her.
underline, twerk for her, or kiss on the lips?
That's a no-brainer.
Why is that a question?
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 Okay, let me be open-minded.
Okay. Please.
Someone
You bad bitch, you.
Someone who would twerk, comment below. I want to see how many people would choose to twerk over kiss a girl.
Okay.
Comment below.
Would you rather talk for her? Miss says it work.
Ngoja nina cha ni ama ni mimi.
Miss says it work. Lakini before the kiss.
Hey man, you didn't ask.
What are they? Ugandan? Is it Kenyan?
I think Kenyan, you can. Yeah, somewhere. I think it's Eastern. Yeah.
Beautiful girls.
Yeah, hebu angalia hapo.
Beautiful girls.
Before nikukiss, niko na swali moja. Sawa. Mbona lamba lips?
I knew.
Yeah.
I knew she was gonna do that from the look she gave on.
If you don't love me, I don't give a
Solo, it's going on.
Oh, bado naendelea.
Hapa
Namba ni mtoto number 2.
Oh, you choose for another person.
Would you rather make her give you a lap dance or send 100, ama kama utafanya hizo mbili, you shine on your way?
Mimi naweza fanya zote.
Okay, left hand is up.
Tishia bwana pesa. Wapi simu?
Who the hell wants to lap dance?
Not me. I'm too grown.
What are the options?
You need that.
Oh, no,
Una
they
pesa.
said it in
Naomba so
Swahili,
hivyo.
Left hand is on top.
Ni mtoto. Nikiwa 110. Ampangi sana fuliza. Siwezi fuliza bro, hata sina hiyo option. 0.
My guy, work.
Bana. Ina circle ya Ruto. Sema ni wajanja.
Unaweza call upate ko off.
Sija confirm.
Uta confirm.
Okay.
Oh, utume dhao. Kasirika umtumie dhao.
Solo.
11.
I think you sent her cash.
Lick body part or
Which
peck
one?
on the lips.
No, the body is it's a very big
Which
thing.
one? It's a very big.
It's a very big thing. Which one?
Is it armpits? Is it here? Is it
Hey man.
yeah? Oh, her. Jesus Christ.
Hapa.
Why is he getting all the
Number
licking?
5. Would you rather smell armpit or smell mouth?
Armpit any day.
Smell your lip.
Armpit any day.
Mouth is fine. I pick mouth. I'm not smelling armpits. I'm sorry.
Armpit boy.
I'm not smelling armpits.
Mouth. Dog, I can understand when like okay, you got smelly armpits. Like Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, but your chances of having a smelly mouth are minimal.
They
compared to
lower,
armpits.
but there's people who have certain breath that it's like, nah. It's not
Yeah,
that-
but it's
not
a
a
small number.
It's not. It's,
People are always sweating. People are constantly
know.
sweating.
but I take armpit over breath, man. Some people's breath is just. Okay, let me ask you: would you have smelly armpits or smelly breath, a stink breath?
It depends.
On what?
Okay, yeah, I would rather have smelly
Armpits, man. I just
Oh,
fucking say,
it's
I've been
smelly
working
armpits.
hard. I'm a man. Fucking the mouth. Imagine getting close to a girl and she's like, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Then don't open your mouth.
How you gonna speak, motherfucker?
Hmm?
You can't buy me your
You're
into
up
sex.
It's your boy, Solo.
Hey, big girls.
Unakurate?
Hey, Red, sema unasikia
10 over 10. Ako sawa.
10 over 10.
Yeah.
I don't know
The
what's
last-
the
the
last
scale
girl.
of breath.
4. Nimechagua 4.
Umechagua four. Give a dirty pickup line or give a hiki.
Hiki.
That pick up line. I ain't standing here. Ngoja. Huyu ndio yule alipewa that pick up lines.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Bana.
He's gonna say something about legs.
I love creation. I wish I were God. So I can give all these people a nice body. Give her the head.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That
That's weird,
motherfucker
but
don't miss, man.
He's
I don't
good.
co-sign that.
If it's a Kenyan level
No, it's
pickup,
English.
yeah. No, I'm saying if it works for these girls, then that's
Yeah,
fine.
nah.
It wouldn't work.
They're all not moved, so hey. Give her the-
Ariana Chantel, kila mahali. So, for the men's in there.
She wants to do
Okay.
something to this guy.
9.
Number 9. So, here DC kwake. Do her to be honest on everyone of the opposite gender or do a smash or pass.
Why?
Smash or pass.
Do it.
She doesn't want to be honest. But why would you pick a special
Wanaanza
part?
hapa. Smash.
I said it.
Say that famous line you're always spewing.
Eh?
That famous line you're always spewing. Say, look to the camera and say it.
I've been fucking wrong on this channel. Show me.
Yeah.
Come on, dog.
The reason.
Favorite position yake ni 6'9".
Unajua?
You even think about positions. Go, come on.
6'9".
I don't know why would anyone allow that, but hey.
Why is that your favorite position?
Aliniambia.
Bwana, watu si wajinga bwana. Watu si wajinga vile mnadhani.
No, aliniambia, you don't talk with your friends.
Imagine. You don't talk with your friends.
Talk what?
Sawa, sisi hatuko tunajua.
You don't talk with your friends. Talk with your friends.
Smash. Anawezana. Anakaa atawezana. Anakaa atani surprise.
Anawezana.
Atani surprise, that is what I'm saying. Nafanya mpaka kwako. Anaruka.
Sabini na kitabu utawezana.
Oh, okay.
Uko sure utawezana?
Pass. You look too innocent.
She wants to be strangled.
You better
Grab
not
it.
be. I'm not sure what country they're from, but you better not be from a war-struck country
Nah,
looking for people to strangle you.
Nah, they're in Air Forces.
Oh, so
They
okay.
swaggy. They swaggy.
Privilege.
Inakaa nita kudominate na mimi sipendi kudominate. Smash. Or why wouldn't
She
you?
came here prepared.
Damn.
Ingosi.
Even her shoes are off. What was that?
Hesabu watu wawili. Wewe alikuwa ng'ombe.
On your right.
Right,
6'9".
left.
Hey.
Hakuna threesome. Pick option moja.
Na piku moja.
Ni tamu.
Si ni one night stand.
Yeah.
One night stand.
Nataka kupata
One night stand. But one night stand.
You should be happy. She's gonna
Okay,
do more
hapa,
freaky stuff with you. In case you didn't know, if a girl would say shit like, "I wouldn't date you, but I'd smash you," it means there's certain things she's willing to do with you that you won't do with someone else. Side note from your uncle.
I'll do kuna 15,
Unafika 11.
11, 4,
Itachukuliwa hadi
11 basi.
11.
Yeah.
Hadi Mike imeitishwa.
Would you rather demonstrate your favorite sex position or moan loudly in the room?
I don't
For 5
know.
seconds, wewe. Wewe, for 5 seconds.
Either demonstrate na yeye.
Demonstrate.
Because what are you moaning
Sasa
for?
I want to see that
itabidi
abortion. On who are you going to demonstrate?
Mr. One Night Stand. We should have volunteered. Oh, Mr. Innocent.
Too innocent.
Then show her.
Too innocent.
Mbona kama umesimama?
You whisper in her ear. What now? What now? I'm joking.
Eh.
Amka. Si ni kudemonstrate setu tuna
Position ni gani?
Innocent.
lala.
Lala.
Nisaidie hii.
Kiswahili.
Thank you.
They're the same verbiage as us.
Allah. Allah.
Na mbona
What
anatuangalia?
was that?
What else did you expect?
Movement. She just said and stood up.
What you want them to dry hump? I'm not getting dry hump.
No, I
down.
just wanted to see
the
the
motion,
motion, exactly.
the ocean.
Exactly. Mechanism.
On who? On me?
What do they call that? That what acid? The one that sticks in your muscles after you run.
I don't know.
I forgot that thing, but yeah, lactic acid. Personally, I wouldn't let a girl call me innocent then sit on top of me.
And what are these? Look at Mr. Innocent socks.
Yeah.
They open toe socks.
They flip socks.
They flip socks.
Flip socks.
Okay.
It's
For him.
weird.
7.
7 hata ishachukuliwa lakini let me read it for you now that you've picked it. Smell armpit or smell mouth?
Okay. Man, change the list.
Smell armpit ama smell mouth.
Na unasema umesikia aje?
Hairy mouth. We. So ndio hapo kuja. Come.
Hii vita ndio inabaki. Nani atasimama?
Nani atasimama?
Kati ya Chantel na Kiragi.
Submit.
Nani atasimama? Nyako alikataa. Kibe alikataa. Nyako alikataa.
Okay.
Also, she seems happy to be here.
Amka pia wewe. Sasa nilikuwa nisimame peke yangu.
How? You see, it's awkward. You can't just walk up to me. It's like, no.
Usinajua ni smell kwenda fungwa. Do. Okay.
She really wanted that smell.
Exactly.
She's on an assignment.
Okay. I give it an 8.
Out of
On smell.
what's the scale?
Is it
You'd have
from
done
bad to
better.
like from good to bad or?
Even if it's bad to
Wago on YouTube,
good,
it's
like,
always around
who
Saroni
is
came up on-
the paragon of good breath? It's like,
She's never met me.
exactly.
YouTube, the Cruiser channel on YouTube.
Oi.
Let's go. Tunaanzia hapa.
Okay, you better. Okay, you better.
Eh?
Okay.
You said exactly. You've never smelled my breath. Why are you saying okay? What the hell? Hey, bro.
There's no aircon in this
Give me
room,
6
big
feet,
dog.
nigga. Give me 6 feet, nigga.
Acha nianzie huko.
Sawa, pika namba.
Namba toka nyuma kipande maybe. Number 10.
Would you rather kiss or lick body part?
Lick.
Leak. Why would you pick lick
Why would
over
you
kiss?
pick leg? It depends which one.
Ama
It's the same.
ni come.
Just as bad. A finger? No, that's the last thing I'm doing. Nah, not the hands, bro.
Mamlick mkono akaka.
That is creepy.
Anaweza?
Why would you lick my arm?
Hapa. Number 2.
Number 2.
No.
Would you rather make her give you a lap dance or send 100?
Na anaweza sikia fiti.
Let's go with the
Bwana
lap
tupe
dance.
pesa
man.
zangu
This
na
is interesting.
nasikia poa. It's fair.
Stop playing it safe. You're adults, you grow.
For the sake of content.
Big girls worldwide. In the words of Dr. Umar, 5'5" extra thick in the thighs.
Until she breaks the chair
Yeah, with all her thickness.
with all her might.
Arr.
I thought it's a bad day.
Yeah, remove that
Na mimi
thing.
sitaki.
What do you wanna see?
Not for me, it's for my guy. I'm a supportive guy.
It's his job to feel.
She's happy, by
Let's
the way.
see.
Look at her
Why
face.
should you get the camera?
She's proud.
You whore. You whore.
Mama should have raised you better.
We need more wars inside Africa.
We have enough,
In
please.
Africa. We need more wars in Africa.
No. We need.
What happened to the Blood Diamond War? People are too comfortable. People are too comfortable.
We're busy indulging
We
in
should-
nonsensical
We
activities.
should go back to the good old days.
And eye for an eye.
You people should go back in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm joking.
Wow. That's it.
He's not satisfied. Get away.
Bump 3 times.
Hey. Aya, twende next.
Tuko hapa.
Number 5.
Number 5.
For MJ, si ndio? Number 5.
Damn. Would you rather sing for her or turn her on? Bro.
Turn her on how? Does she have a switch?
Nice.
Tulia.
Sing. I'm not doing that
Nice.
shit. Fuck you guys.
Sing for her.
I would fist fight everyone in this room before I sing for anyone. I swear, I would. I would fist fight everyone before I do
Anyone
that shit.
can get it.
Straight. Don't discriminate. Straight.
If she doesn't, yeah, get
Na
it.
mimi nikikata. Mimi nikikata.
unaenda huko.
Shine, una shine.
Yeye ndo anashine.
Mimi acha mimi ni shine.
Sawa, utashine.
Unataka kushine?
Acha ni shine.
Shine is
She eliminated.
Shit.
Yeah, but you can't eliminate because now the numbers are not balancing.
Hapa.
Yeah, but he's not participating.
You gotta go.
Zi, sarudi tuko hapa.
Hapa unipatie the nastiest
You see?
on the list.
A girl was raised in a good home.
I'm her daddy.
A girl was raised in a good home.
She said, no, guys, can't bring my family's name into disrepute.
Shame.
Yes.
Shame. My father will get fired from work because of my misdoings.
He won't come back home.
He will be a drunk.
He won't come back home.
Nastiest.
No way. No, he has to
Hakuna
say a
choice,
number.
hakuna
Yeah,
choice.
No.
The nastiest on the list. Come on.
Would you rather kiss on the lips or call your mom and moan?
Call your mom and moan.
Why?
Girl, bring your lips over here.
Hiyo haiko kwa option. Haiko kwa option.
Ndiye mjuani sahi.
Call your mom and mom. Jesus Christ.
Bring those lips here.
Those are the
Unapay
big
back
guns.
time.
Bring it.
Nakwambia. You kissing me? Oh, I'm not kissing you.
Huh?
Sini ananikiss.
Yeah.
Lazima ikuwe
This
mucho
girl
kama
wants to be
bio
dominant.
shine.
Why did you think you're in an
Remember you
argument?
kiss me.
Sawa.
Shut up and take it.
Hivyo.
Allah.
Why did he lick his lips?
Na mtu akisingi.
Oh, lick his lips. That's what happened.
He licked his lips before he kissed her.
Oh, he licked his lips.
Yeah, why? Why is that important?
Lube, bitch, lube.
Na mtu akisingi.
Everyone accused.
Sawa. Ni jokes. Oh, ni hapa.
For the last
Sawa,
Oh, is that his girl? Why is he touched?
6.
number 6. Hey. Would you rather twerk for any person of your choice or kiss any person of your choice?
Is it her again?
Sharp guy.
This goes on, so just sit down.
This guy does not understand content. We want content, chief. Content.
The worse the merrier, I guess.
Yeah, so I'm Dolly Fussy on Instagram and TikTok.
So
Okay,
where we
Dodi.
starting?
Okay, Dodi,
there.
fine. Let me check you out.
Um,
Let's hope you're from a
Four.
good home.
2,
4.
4. Would you rather give a hickey or peck on the lips?
Oh, what? On the lips?
Peck.
What's a peck?
Kiss.
Oh.
Bite that bitch.
Mba.
Yeah, mba.
Oh.
Oh,
Bye.
what hickey is your neck?
I'll show you a hit.
Hickeys are childish.
Shit.
Hickeys are childish.
You not bite you, me. See this
Ama
thing.
umenapplya
You can't give that guy. He's too old.
You have to give a girl a hit.
so
Go.
tunadu aje?
Give him a hickey.
No, it's they do it opposite sex each time.
Yeah, but why do you have to do it about sex?
How do you want to do it?
No, not me. I'm being inclusive. You said this is not Uganda, so don't tell me shit. You said this is not Uganda. You said this is not Kenya.
You want the kids to get arrested.
Beheaded.
You want them to go to get a 20-year sentence for special pass game. Never. Never. Doing one time.
You said this is not Uganda or Kenya, so I'm like,
You're
okay.
speaking Swahili. It could be Uganda. It could be Kenya.
Hey man, they did
Or Tanzania.
they did life challenges, so it's fine. Do hard time for biting a guy.
By the way, yeah.
Sawa wewe. Kama shingo
I'm not kissing
itaonekana,
someone's hands. I'm sorry.
Walai uma.
A hickey on the hand. Bitch, leave me alone.
That's
Nigga
disgusting.
vampire. Ah.
That's
That's
disgusting.
gonna lick that shit before he goes home.
Why couldn't you just
Haitaonekana.
You have to bite him.
This is the softest part of your skin. You're gonna rot.
That'll be fire.
Cheki hapa.
7.
7. Hii na hii 7 nimeipenda.
Nasemaje kwa
Ngoja 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Ngoja. Yenye jasemo. Zote zimesema.
I don't know why they need
Would you rather do a to be honest on everyone of the opposite gender or do a smash or pass?
Hey, to be honest. Okay. Okay, to be honest, I find him funny. To be honest, I
Opposite.
like her hair. To be honest, I don't like his attitude. So, to be honest,
He looks Somalian, that guy.
you're too cold. To be honest, you look pretty. I love your makeup. To be
She's
honest,
pretty, yeah.
to be honest, let me think of something.
You
I don't
look South
know.
African.
To be
What's
honest,
up?
I don't like your hair.
Oh, what must he do?
To be honest,
Lip syncing.
I still don't like the hair. Yeah.
You're on a fist fight, bitch. What the hell?
Bro, we can take it outside.
That's
we
what
can take it
Why
outside.
would you say that?
Mkono ufala.
Talk
Tuko
to
wapi?
my tap it.
Tuko hapa tuko kwa mhenga. Pick a number.
This girl all pretty. Jesus Christ.
Ni honest.
Pick a number.
Oh. His turn. Oh. I'll choose 11.
11. Hiyo ndo umechagua tu. 11. Would you rather kiss or lick body part?
Man, we've been licking. What's
We've
that?
been licking. Jesus Christ.
Lick something interesting.
Leak body parts.
Someone got
Guys,
frustrated.
shemeji TikTok.
Your his body part leaked.
If she came to me, I was gonna be like, "Hey, what are we doing? What are we doing?" Easy.
Make you lick your belly button. Hell.
You see?
Like, chat ones he said.
Pick a number.
Chat ones in
Who's next?
11.
11. Cheki mimi sikupe 11. Hapo. Acha ni shuffle basi.
Soma kutoka juu.
Sawa.
11 hiyo ya kwanza. 11 number 1 sasa.
Would you rather sing for her or dance?
Sing or dance? Why am I dancing?
See, I'm
I
not
can't
sing
dance.
for her.
And probably saying.
I dance.
I feel like I deserve so what's an
Emotional, damn it!
Why the fuck would I dance? Dancing is stupid. It's for every people. I don't dance.
No, the thing is, I have a specific type of dance.
I have scars.
Okay.
Host nigotea hata kikataa.
atakana kuwa nadanganya.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Aha, uko na tabia za kupendeza roho.
He sang. Okay, the first girl was right about this guy.
What?
Next.
Innocent, boring.
I was also gonna say.
With his cap.
I was also gonna say.
You, Mr. Costa.
Not jerk off in the face.
What the
I'm
hell?
not shy.
So hapa number Guy. Number 5.
Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Acha nikupe ingine. Would you rather smash the person on the left or right?
Smash your pass. He just had to give him that question, knowing damn well he's next to him.
Why is she acting shy?
Eh? Who?
On the left.
No, why is he acting shy? When he knows that he's the one who came up with this question for this guy.
Exactly.
Right?
Mkono ufala, mkono ufala.
Zote ni jackpot. Zote ni jackpot. Zote ni jackpot.
Left or right?
Let me see.
Cheki.
Your size. Nigote. You're not a pedophile.
Sawa hapa.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah.
Would you rather smell armpit or smell mouth?
Jeez, these questions.
Like, come on, switch it up.
Na feel maybe inaweza
This
kuwa
nigga
wazi
in his
hata
open
tujaribu hapa.
toe socks.
That was rude.
Hauna maoni?
Sina maoni.
What do you mean?
Wanda uoge. Wache mchezo.
You have to rate either way.
Hey, uko sure?
Out of 10.
Actually, sawa. Ni sawa. It's a 10 times 0.
That's
Next.
Mr. Innocent. Blossoming.
Number 8.
Why do they give me
Ni opinion
game
yangu.
vibes?
Yeah.
expected.
By the way, kwa hisho yote, najua number 8 ndo ijachukuliwa.
Ala.
It's about to go down.
Would you rather talk for the camera or send 100? Wow.
The economy.
Na hii economy.
Ni semester sitakutumia?
Unataka kutwak?
Bro.
Twerk.
Yeah.
Naona ile time ulisema tukirudi.
Sikuna option ya ku reverse. Dunia.
Twerk.
Junior.
Okay, I think they're exchanging cash or whatever.
Instagram, all social media platforms. TikTok, Instagram, all social media platforms. Monlita.
Monlita.
Solo the point.
Pick a number.
Is it called the number? 11? 8.
Number 8.
Talk for the camera.
Would you rather talk to the camera or send a hand?
Sasa hitu umesikia.
6:30. The way you know.
I mean, it's not like you've not done it before.
Solo utaki pesa? Utaki pesa?
Talk for the camera.
I'm on
Take the whole lap dance thing on it. So, perfect the crop.
Giving back to the society. Nimetuma 100.
You don't want to twerk?
Unaweza?
Venye tu nitafanya,
Yeah, she's a great sport.
Simuimbe.
You're gonna be a wonderful mom.
hiyo kitu hiyo ndio huwezi
Susan, she's cheating with the thing on.
You dirty son of a bitch.
I'm actually a stylist. I know one who works with a camera. Girl, Valentine's shortening bees.
Ilikuwa solo ndio alikuwa tu.
Spinal cord.
Sembuse bila jeans.
Uliambia kuna Snapchat?
Okay. 5.
5. Give a dirty pickup line or give a hiki.
Okay, hiki.
Saruni.
Where?
Kick you on the arm.
Allah. Hapa.
He's gonna kiss it. Sick fuck.
Hapa.
Si mara ya kwanza.
Wipe that shit off your hand.
Number 3.
Number 3. Damn. Sasa nikuchagulia lingine. Jimechukuliwa sana. Would you kiss or lick body part?
We've been licking,
Been
man.
licking.
Make things interesting.
Nyonye uchumvi. Hapa.
1.
Damn. Would you rather kiss on the lips?
Oh.
Call your mom and moan.
We've been called. Oh, we haven't called.
I haven't called her mom. Call her mom and moan. She might be a freak too.
Alikuwa juu utapiga?
Yeah.
Your number one.
QPR are safe, they don't know it yet.
Yeah.
Balotelli.
That guy is so excited. He's glad his shit is on camera. He's glad. He's like, yo, it's online.
His cousins are watching.
They won't say I'm lying. No more smell my fingers.
Telly.
It's not my booty.
Look at it smile. Only food can make me smile like that.
Aguero!
Aguero.
Staggering! Just staggering!
Allah. Umekaa chama warudie.
Warudie.
Akirudi itakuwa fiti.
Kiragu.
Let's see, CEO. What are you gonna pick?
Tuanze kwa Chantel. Oh, I go by the name Mehenga_Kiragu on all social medias. Subscribe to my channel Mehenga Kiragu on YouTube. Chantel number 2.
Would you rather make her dance for you or send her hand?
Sina do.
Damn. This motherfucker is wearing a keep calm shirt. When last did I see that? When last did we see the keep calm?
They still have them apparently.
No, though, it's like 15 years. This guy's been waiting for his turn.
lakini umechange. Number 2 haikuwa hiyo.
Imeshafuliwa.
Ameshuffle. Number 2.
Hey, cameraman. He's busy, ne?
It's on his job, dog.
He's getting paid.
He deserves a raise.
Hey, what's up? That's it.
These are girls understand.
They just said.
This is not the track, I'm sorry. The way he stood up.
Something is hitting.
Yeah, self-raising.
Something is hitting up.
Yeast.
Something is wrong.
Yeast.
The radiator is leaking.
We got it short.
He's about to put a pillow.
You're winning.
So, for her, wacha twende zigzag kwanza. Huyu number 10.
Would you rather do her to be honest on everyone or do a smash up person the opposite gender?
Special pass.
Kwani ilikuwa niwafanyia hata mchezo.
I don't want peace.
I want problems always.
Nitafanya smash or pass with a reason.
I want problems always.
Unadai solo? Unadai solo? Azi. Ebu shoot your shot directly.
I'll take honest.
Cha mchezo. Shoot shot. We shoot shot.
What's the meaning? Pale mwisho nani yako mwisho?
Chantel. Huko mwisho smash. Anakaa kuwa freaky. Hey, tunajua innocent. How old are you?
He was like, before you go far.
Allah.
Hiyo labda nikwambie behind the scenes.
Tukismash. To smash. How old are you? How old are you?
21.
Uongo. Hiyo age nimekataa. Hiyo nitapass. Hiyo age. 21.
It's a life.
Oh, she too old for you.
Yeah,
What's
I feel
going
like
on?
it's a lie. My opinion. My opinion.
Sawa na kangapi?
Ama niangalia height.
Na kangapi?
Probably 19 ama 18.
Well, this coach just wants some action. She looks the same age as the other one.
Dog.
Come on.
Si ni mdogo. Kaa wewe.
So tuko
Kwake. Number 4. Hey, number 5. Number 5.
Kwako shatoka.
Yes, alikuwa hapa.
Oh, but then nimefanya zigzag. Oh, smash. But then yeah. Number 5.
Would you rather sing for her? Kama mfanye radio.
Man, dare someone to fucking take their pants off or something. Make this thing worthwhile.
No, these questions.
Ama spoken word. Mr. Imba.
Spoken word.
Nitafanya spoken word, that's easier. It's the organized points. But you have nets, so tuanze. Matthew 7:7 nasema ask and it will be given to you. That's
motherfucker is preaching. Move.
That's a spoken word.
This is not a place for God, by the way.
Yeah, clearly
The devil is ruling this place.
God has been defeated.
She's worshiping the devil here.
Don't credit him for this abortion.
No,
He's been defeated
no.
by powers, real powers.
mwenye ata appreciate my pimples, they won't appreciate my pop na gala akona nails ndo.
We are here for evil things. That's the mood.
Yes, we're not here for love.
We are not here for
let us see someone's daughter
kuna mwenye hujafanyia
Acha akimaliza sawa aniru sasa tuendelee tu next alafu pate namba mbaya.
Do you think, girl?
DFW Wambo on all social media platforms.
Hapa.
Pick a number.
Number 9. Eight. Oh, second last basi.
Second last. Would you rather kiss or lick body part?
Lick body parts.
Yo.
I don't like how she did that. I was like, whoa. You've done this several times.
Fourth last.
Fourth last?
Girl, whatever happened to your numbers?
For instructions from water.
So would you rather smash the person on your left or right?
Tunangoja
Right.
I knew that. Then I'm never wrong.
Hapa.
Number
Una chill bana, una chill hapa.
number 7.
Would you rather tour?
kiti ndio ile.
Yeah.
Ametoa dhao.
These girls don't want to twerk, but they want to kiss. What's going on?
They don't want to kiss, but they want to lick.
Akona kata.
I think that's the end of
A
it.
win is a win.
lakini.
Hapo ya
Right?
win.
Something happened.
Would you rather lick body part or peck on the lips?
Lick body parts. Ah.
See, nienda lick mguu ama a peck on the lips. Mchagua gani? Nataka hiyo peck. Hebu peck kwa lips. Nataka gani?
I know. Okay, that is over.
Ati unaitwa aje?
Yeah, let's call it.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
this was different. It was refreshing.
It was refreshing.
Yeah.
Only thing I can say is, guys, the mic problems.
Yeah, the mic.
Yeah, the mic
Yeah.
problems need to be handled. But yeah,
Anyway,
this
yeah.
was you. Would
Kevin,
you
I
rather,
think.
but face to face.
Man, Kevin Ingosi.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and suggest more videos for us. Thank you.
Otherwise,
Thank you.
we'll show you some love.
Mwah.